You will learn how to create checklists or to-do lists on Google Docs mobile application. Let's just get right into it. The first step you need to take is to launch your Google Docs mobile application. Once the doc app opens, you can tap on the plus sign at the bottom part, then select new document and create what you want to have inside the doc. Alright? But in this case, I have a document file I want to work with, which I have already created, which is named Making Money. So I'll tap on it. Then I'll tap on the edit icon. Okay, this will allow me to add few things in this case. And look at this, this says, these are ways to make money online and check those you have tried before. All right, so the first one is content creation. So take your cursor to where you want the checkbox to be applied. So here is at the beginning of the first point. So after tapping on that spot, the next step is to drag towards the left to see some icons. All right, you see where we have art, bold, italicized, and the rest. Drag to see more. Okay, and look at the checklist icon there, the one that has tick. I will tap on it. You can see the checklist has been applied. Then the second point here is Amazon KDP. I will tap at the start of that paragraph and then tap on the checklist again. The same applies. Dropshipping, tap on checklist. Affiliate marketing, tap on the checklist icon. Then branding, I'll tap on the checklist. You can see I have now applied the checkboxes. All right. Then maybe maybe you have completed a particular task in the future. What you need to do is to come here, come to that document and tap on the checkbox. You can see this has been done, meaning that I have tried this before. Amazon KDP, I have tried it before. Then branding, I have tried it before. So these other ones I have not tried, they're not ticked. So once a box is ticked, you will see this strike through. But if you want to untick that, all right, uncheck the box, tap on the box again inside it, and it will be unchecked. Consider subscribing, hit the like button, and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you, and see you some other time.